This is Buckley's cough mixture, cough suppressant. What does it have in it? It has ammonium carbonate, butyl paraben, camphor, Canadian fir balsam gum, carrageenan gum, glycerin, menthol, pine needle oil, propyl paraben, purified water, sodium saccharum, and tincture of capsicum. Woo! That ought to do something. Let's find out.
I've been warned. It smells like ammonia. It's supposed to be really, really good, but it's really hard to take. Okay, ready? Oh my God! I'm never kidding. Oh, is it? Oh, it's hot. There's ammonia in your nostrils. Oh my God! Ah! Oh God! Oh, please!
So are you a proponent of this product?
If this stops me coughing, sure, but right now, oh my God, I feel like I just waxed my throat or something with ammonia. Oh my God, it's terrible. Oh, it hit. It just hit my stomach. Oh, okay. Thanks. It's wonderful.